Hi, I'm Carlotta A, and I'm an open source hardware creator. And I have created the open source LilyBot FlowerBots robot platform. It's a robot that grows with you from novice to intermediate by having flexibility in controllers and power. So today I am going to show you how to get obstacle avoidance working on LilyBot with a Raspberry Pi Pico W by walking you through how to wire the three main subsystems, including one LED, one 3.3 volt sonar, as well as the TB6612 motor controller for driving the motors. So please come along for this three-part video. So next we're going to wire our second subsystem. Our second subsystem will be our 3.3 volt sonar. So we're going to need 4 male-female wires. So all you do is you're going to slide these onto the end. So they're going to be at VCC, trigger, echo, and ground, like that. And then we're also going to attach the sonar mount. So you just slide this on the top like this. And then to attach it to the robot, you just lift it up and you drop it in like so. And then you turn it. Okay. So we now have the sonar mounted here. So as far as the pins, so the first connection is VCC, which is this brown wire, and that's going to go to 3.3 volts out. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the top. And you drop it there. Then on the other side, this yellow wire has to go to ground. So ground is going to be on the left side, and that one is going to be 3 from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. And now we have our trigger and the echo. So the trigger is the one closest to the voltage. So the trigger is going to be this red wire, and the red wire is going to go to pin 17, which is second from the bottom right here. And then the orange wire is going to be the echo, and that's going to be to the last row. Okay, so we now have our sonar completely mounted and completely wired.